Hello everyone! Today, I'll be teaching you about hardware and software. Let's begin.
What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical parts of computer, the things we can actually see and touch. Examples include a monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and printer.
Examples include input devices like the keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Output devices like the monitor, printer, speakers, and projector. Storage devices such as the hard disk, SSD, USB, and memory card. And of course, the processing unit, which includes the CPU, motherboard, and RAM.
Software is different. It's not physical and we can't touch it. Software is the set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. Examples are Microsoft Word, web browsers, games, and operating systems like Windows or Android.
There are two main types of software. First, system software. This type controls the computer and manages the hardware. Examples include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It also includes utilities like antivirus programs and file managers. Second, application software. This type helps users perform a specific task. Examples are Microsoft Word for writing, Google Chrome for browsing, Photoshop for editing pictures, social media apps like Facebook, and even mobile games.
To compare them, hardware is tangible, which means you can touch it. Software is intangible. You can touch it. Hardware includes things like the CPU or mouse, while software includes apps and programs.